Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing in and going straight to the character list. Pick the character you want removed. Once selected, open the gear icon or three-dot menu. This is the control hub. You need to confirm you own or manage the character, otherwise deletion won't appear. Make sure to check character visibility and any linked backups before continuing, since deletion is permanent. When you see the delete option, don't click yet. Pause and read the prompt to understand what data will be removed. Once you choose delete, a confirmation dialog appears. This step prevents mistakes. Read it. It lists conversations, training data, or linked assets that will be erased. You may need to type the character name or click confirm to authorize the action. Do that purposely. If an extra verification step like email or 2FA appears, complete it to proceed. After confirming, wait for the system to process. You should see the character removed from your list once deletion completes. After deletion, refresh your character list and verify the entry is gone. Sometimes the UI needs a reload. Make sure to check notifications or your email for any deletion receipt or log. If the character still appears, sign out and back in, or clear browser cache and try again. If problems persist, capture screenshots and contact support. Explain steps taken and include timestamps. This helps them restore correct state or confirm permanent deletion. Keep calm and provide concise details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.